This is a dog.
This is a dog.
It runs fast.
It runs fast.
I play with it.
I play with it.
It loves bones.
It loves bones.
I see a ball.
I see a ball.
The ball is red.
The ball is red.
I kicked the ball.
I kicked the ball.
It bounces high.
It bounces high.
This is my school.
This is my school.
I go there daily.
I go there daily.
I read books.
I read books.
My teacher is kind.
My teacher is kind.
I have a bird.
I have a bird.
It lives in a cage.
It lives in a cage.
The bird sings sweetly.
The bird sings sweetly.
I give it food.
I give it food.
This is a tree.
This is a tree.
The tree is tall.
The tree is tall.
Birds sit on it.
Birds sit on it.
It gives me shade.
It gives me shade.
I have a toy car.
I have a toy car.
It is blue.
It is blue.
I push it fast.
I push it fast.
The car makes me happy.
The car makes me happy.
The sun is hot.
The sun is hot.
It shines brightly.
It shines brightly.
I see it in the sky.
I see it in the sky.
It gives us light.
It gives us light.
This is a flower.
This is a flower.
The flower is pink.
The flower is pink.
It smells nice.
It smells nice.
Bees sit on it.
Bees sit on it.
I eat an apple.
I eat an apple.
It is red.
It is red.
The apple is sweet.
The apple is sweet.
I like fruits.
I like fruits.
This is my friend.
This is my friend.
We play together.
We play together.
He shares his toys.
He shares his toys.
I like him.
I like him.
I have a book.
I have a book.
The book has pictures.
The book has pictures.
I read the book.
I read the book.
It is fun.
It is fun.
This is my room.
This is my room.
It has a bed.
It has a bed.
I sleep in it.
I sleep in it.
The room is clean.
The room is clean.
I see the moon.
I see the moon.
It is round.
It is round.
The moon shines.
The moon shines.
I like to watch it.
I like to watch it.
This is a fish.
This is a fish.
It swims in water.
It swims in water.
The fish is small.
The fish is small.
I watch it move.
I watch it move.
I wear shoes.
I wear shoes.
They are black.
They are black.
I walk with them.
I walk with them.
My shoes are new.
My shoes are new.
This is my bag.
This is my bag.
It is heavy.
It is heavy.
I keep books in it.
I keep books in it.
I carry it to school.
I carry it to school.
I have a pencil.
I have a pencil.
The pencil is sharp.
The pencil is sharp.
I write with it.
I write with it.
It is useful.
It is useful.
This is a cow.
This is a cow.
It gives us milk.
It gives us milk.
The cow is big.
The cow is big.
I see it in the field.
I see it in the field.
I drink water.
I drink water.
Water is clean.
Water is clean.
It keeps me healthy.
It keeps me healthy.
I like cold water.
I like cold water.
This is my toy.
This is my toy.
It is soft.
It is soft.
I hug it.
I hug it.
It makes me smile.
It makes me smile.